Hello kids, welcome to ABC 123 Magical Learning. Let's learn numbers 1 to 25 with different colors and tracing. Let's learn name of the colors. Kids, these are the color kids. Yellow color, sky blue color, dark green color, red color, dark pink color, light green color, dark brown color, blue color, violet color, brown color, orange color. Now let's trace the numbers. 1, number 1. Next is 2, number 2. 2, 3, number 3. Next is 4, number 4. 5, number 5. Then comes 6, number 6. Then 7, number 7. Then come number 8, number 8. Number 8. 9, 9. 1, 0, 10, number 10. Next 11, 1, 1, 11. 1, 2, 12. Next 1, 3, 13. Next is 1, 4, 14. Then comes 15. 1, 5, 15. After 15, 1, 6, 16. Next comes 17. 1, 7, 17. After 17, 18. 1, 8, 18. 1, 9, 19. 2, 0, 20. Next 2, 1, 21. 2, 2, 22. Next 2, 3, 23. 2, 4, 24. 2, 5, 25. Let's repeat again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Kids, hope you like this video. Please share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you. Bye bye.